There's our car. And hi, Buck.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Ready to get rolling?
Good morning.
How are you?
Our last full day in Newfoundland.
Yes, it is.
Oh well. Now we're headed to Port Aux Basques, and we're going to get the ferry tomorrow.
No R, remember?
Port Aux Basques.
Brask?
Port Aux Basques.
Ask.
Whatever.
Yes.
And we're going to get the ferry tomorrow and go to Nova Scotia. And we're eating breakfast at Nettie's Harbor Inn, where we stayed for the last 3 days in that red cottage. And this is just the clearest it's been. And we saw the whale out there. And we're having coffee, and we're waiting for breakfast, and then we will get on the road. All right, well, on the day that we're leaving, we finally have had a lift in the fog and the rain and the clouds to be able to witness what Gros Morne is all about.
Pretty cool mountains.
So this is what we would have been sailing through, going on a boat through the fjords over there, straight up and down sheer cliffs yesterday, but it was too cloudy.
Which is a shame.
Yes, it is.
You can't control the weather.
No, you can't. However, hey, we got to see it before we leave, so that's a good thing, right?
Definitely a good thing.
Good.
Very good thing.
Here we go. Gros Morne National Park.
Right there.
Right there. With no clouds. No rain. Yay! Finally, right?
Finally.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Can you go get next to my camera?
Mm-hmm.
Can you go next to my camera?
Yep.
Okay. Hello. It's beautiful today, isn't it?
Oh, lovely.
Finally, no clouds, no fog.
Lots of clouds. Is that in the scenery?
A little bit of scenery here.
Yeah.
Just a little bit somewhere. I don't know where.
Yeah, yeah.
Look hard, you'll find it.
Yeah. Weed stuff up the mountains.
Yeah.
Amazing. I do. Lots of flies. I had to go get the DEET because they were biting my head. Alrighty, 22 miles out of our way. And then, oh look, there's the first Walmart. Lisa, look, there's a Walmart.
So you gotta take a picture of Lisa.
Is there an eat-in place? No. You can eat outside. Just park right here. Make sure no one's coming in behind us before you swirl around. Alrighty. So, 22 kilometers later, we have arrived at the home of the Burger family, A&W. Because Mark wanted a stupid A&W root beer. Right, dear?
Mm-hmm.
Is that why you... Ouch! Is that why you wore that shirt? So you would match the inside?
Yes, exactly.
This is an airport in Stevensville. Where's our road going? This isn't right. This is the air warning. Road closed when flashing. Rough road ahead. This is the highway?
Not the way we got here.
No, she's taking us a different way. This feels like we're driving out to the airport.
Yeah. This is like planes, trains, and automobiles.
All right, this is apparently the road, although I don't know. Watch out, there's a bird in the road, dear.
Yeah, he doesn't want to move.
I was like, idiot bird. Supposedly this is a road, but I don't know. I would look at this and not say it's a road.
It's like it's an abandoned runway.
That's what it does. It does seem like that. However, this is the way Siri is taking, or my GPS is taking us. Newfoundland. Home of the no roads, but just go. Hello, bird. Look at the bird is racing us. Where did it go? Alright, we're trying to find some Newfoundland music.
This is not it.
Ok, si on veut faire avec quoi que ce soit, on faisait une interminable sieste et on allait enfin à la plage. Mais cette journée-là, ça s'est pas tout à fait passé comme ça. On est arrivé de l'épicerie.
Okay, so supposedly we're still on the Trans-Canada Highway. There's no one behind us. There's no one in front of us. We haven't passed a car for a long time ago. Like, where are all the cars?
mean, I realize.
I thought maybe we were on
still.
I know. I thought maybe we were on the wrong road. And I mean, to get to Port Aux Basques, I'll just say it fast like they do. This is the only road you can go. So, do people know something that we don't? Have we been forgotten? Have we been left behind?
I don't know.
There's where we ate our burger. It's now putting our burger thing as our start place. That's not going to be right. We have an hour and 13 minutes and 64 more miles. Oh, look, a car. Look, 3 cars. We've not been left behind. Either that or they've been left behind with us.
Yeah, really.
Cartyville.
I would have thought there'd been some like delivery trucks or something taking stuff north.
There's our hotel. Alright, this is the Port Aux Basques Hotel. This is the hall. There's no elevator. This is room 204. This is the bathroom with obvious bathroom stuff. Nice big bathroom. Very deep tub, by the way. That's very deep. Can't tell maybe, but it's deep. And place to hang your clothes. Microwave, refrigerator. Sorry, the first video I did when the room had nothing in it, I forgot to focus. So I'm doing it now. And we're just chilling, taking up our spaces on the bed until it's bedtime. Spreading out my stuff. I've been doing pictures over here. Mark was sleeping, so I didn't want to disturb him, so I stayed in this bed. But he drove all the way. There's the I Love Newfoundland sign backwards, and it's kind of windy here. There's some sort of a train museum. There's her car. This is just a view. And it's got a chair. It's got a desk. It's got a TV. And for one night before we catch the ferry, its room works.